All right, welcome again to our second class ya, our second class.
Can
Turn on the
yes.
caption, Bim. Dinyalain dulu captionnya.
Caption.
Ya, biar muncul kayak.
Okay. So caption.
Ya.
Okay, go.
All right, so welcome again to our second class. Nice to see you again, and I would like to say Happy Eid Mubarak.
Happy Eid
From last night
Mubarak.
and happy holiday. How was your How was your Lebaran going?
Yeah. I go to Bandung and Lebaran in Bandung.
Okay, so you pray in Bandung?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. How long you gonna have holiday? Like your first
Uh,
vacation?
Yesterday I go Bandung. Maybe 27 April. March.
March?
Yeah, 27 March. I go to Pangalengan to my home my boss. And then 27 and 29 uh next I go to my home in Bandung and Kiara Condong my grandma 30 March
In March.
and then tomorrow at 31
31st?
uh 31st
Mm-hmm.
30 oh 31st
Mm-hmm.
31st uh I go to
Mm.
Solat Id.
Your pray on Monday, right?
Yeah, Monday.
And here on Sunday.
And Sunday you ate.
Pray, yeah. Yeah, we start earlier. So when you gonna go back to work?
Maybe Monday I go to
Monday.
training. Yeah, Monday.
Okay, so next
Actually, yesterday I go
I went.
I
I
went.
went karena udah past tense
Mm,
gitu. Udah. Kalau
oh,
kalau mau pergi I go, tapi kalau udah lewat I went.
I went.
Uh-huh. Again, I went.
I went. Practice
Mm-hmm.
with my boss, Kweki, with my
Hmm.
boss because si dia tuh sih ya.
He cowok.
Oh,
He cowok.
he because he call me Bimo you you in Jakarta, yes, okay, uh play badminton training my wife mau latihan badminton.
Ah, okay.
Apa itu dah I have my
Oh,
wife.
because okay, maybe the conversation should be Bimo, are you free? Because my wife
Betul
wants to play badminton.
ya.
Kok Eki married already? I didn't.
Ya, married.
Oh, okay. From the last time I met him, he already
No,
married
no,
or
no, married,
oh,
no.
not married. Oh,
Mm.
okay.
Maybe 1 month you go Canada, Eki married.
Oh, I see, I see. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. All right. So good to see the story of yours. It must be nice to see all the family back in hometown. So
Huh?
now let me share screen for today's material.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Second. What? Yeah. Can you see the screen now?
Okay, I see.
Oh. Last time we were talking about introduction, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, just introduction. Huh? How to wait. Hmm. Oh,
No,
forgot. Can you lead the prayer first? Lead the prayer.
lead player.
Mm-hmm. read the prayer before we study. We're gonna read first.
Oke.
Prayer,
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
yeah. Before we study,
Hmm.
yeah.
Gimana pertamanya?
Before we
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
study,
Before we study,
let's pray together.
let's pray together.
Pray begin.
Pray begin.
Yeah.
Finish.
Yeah. Okay, good. So right now I want you to read the news first. I think.
Indonesian Master.
Yeah. I just want you to read the news just to make it your pronunciation better. So this we are in the badminton word. So let's read this news. Okay. Start from here ya. Start from tears. Oh, no. From this one. Ya. Dibaca. Kalau ini bisa digedein zoom out, Bim. Digedein.
Okay. From to start to the respect. No.
Yeah, the respect.
Okay. I go. The respect I have for them and all they activate in badminton.
Achieve.
They achieve in badminton is just too great to take this all in. Where the words
Were
of
the words, yeah.
where the words of an emotional Roy King Yap after he and Yunaidi Arif defeated Muhammad Hasan Hendra Setiawan 21-13, 21-14 to send what
The legendary
to send the legendary duo of the high to Indonesian Master 20 2025 20 and 25.
Bisa 2025 atau 20 and 25.
Oh, sama aja ya, Dak.
Ya, next.
Mana, Dak?
The tears
Flowed on court as well. Hasan broke down. Oh, Hasan broke down as soon as last shuttle.
As soon.
Oh, as soon. Hasan broke down as soon as the last shuttle dropped.
Drop, nggak pakai drop aja.
Oh, okay. The last shuttle dropped.
Yeah.
Later in the mix zone, the 23 years old Yap struggled to keep his emotion.
Oh, okay. Emotion.
The 23 years old Yap struggled to keep his emotion in check when asked about the significance of his opponents to his career.
Yeah. Significance of his opponents to his career.
Significance of
yeah,
of his opponents to his career.
Yeah. Next. Oh, sorry. They are
My idol. Plexi Hendra.
Especially.
Okay. They are my idol, especially Hendra. Yap said softly. I'm feeling a lot of things right now.
Ada S-nya. Things.
Okay. I'm feeling a lot of things right now. I'm struggling to put into words.
Into words. Yeah.
It's truly an honor.
It's truly an honor.
It's truly an honor
Honor, H-nya nggak dibaca. Honor.
Oh, this is honors to
Mhm.
share the court with them in their last match.
Mhm.
We want
We wanted
oh we wanted to win
mhm.
or
Our
did
desire
okay. Our desire was there.
was there.
Our desire was there.
Mhm.
We would have liked to have spent more time on court with them.
With them, ya.
With them. Oh, with them. I wish I wish them all the best and a very happy
Retirement.
retirement.
Ya.
Oh, and very happy and retirement. Arif Esa is partner. Hasan
Arif echoed his partner. Echoed
Ekauf artinya apa, Dak?
kayak manggil gitu loh.
Oke,
Kayak echo tuh kan kayak ada suara eko yang apa gema. Ini kan kalau di sini konteksnya Arif echoed his partner jadi kayak manggil partnernya gitu.
Repeat gitu ya.
Ya.
Arif. Oke. Hasan has and will always be my elder. Ini mah sama dah kalau nggak salah. Itu the match I said next to moment with Hasan. Tapi baca lagi ya, Dak?
Different. Ini
Oh,
beda.
different. Oke.
Hasan
Hasan has and will always be my idol. I have the utmost respect for both.
for both.
For both.
Ya, both itu keduanya.
Okay. He said we know what the Istora fans can be like, so we wanted to enjoy the match. I share a nice moment at the end with Hasan.
I sure what? I shared.
Oh,
I shared
I shared a nice moment at the end with Hasan.
at the end.
At the end with Hasan, saya momen
Membagikan
indah,
ya.
membagikan momen indah sampai akhir bersama Hasan.
Yes.
I will never forget this day. Saya tidak pernah melupakan hari ini. Hasan and Setiawan will be honored.
Honored.
Allah, ya lupa.
H-nya nggak dipakai baca honored.
Hasan and Setiawan will be honored in a ceremony at the Istora on Sunday. Hasan dan Hendra
Sunday. Ya.
Sunday itu artinya minggu ya?
Bukan Sunday.
Oh, Sunday.
Ya,
Sunday
ya,
itu
minggu,
minggu ya,
hari
Dak?
Minggu.
Oke. Testun Naroka. Artinya apa, Dak?
Enggak, ini nama orang kayaknya.
Oh, Naroka itu nama orang.
Ya, ini nih.
Singapura Jiaheng Jasen Teh delivered Singapore Jiheng Jason Teh delivered a career defending
Performance defining a career defining
a career defining performance to
Performance.
defeat a career defining performance to defeat men's single succeeded Kodai Naroka 21-19, 21-16 and reached his first Super 500 quarter final.
quarter final.
And his first Super 500 quarter final.
Quarter final.
The first Super 500 quarter final.
Yes, that's good.
The world number 33
Yeah.
win over the world number 9 is his first again Naroka.
Since.
Okay, number 9 is his first again Naroka since their
their South Australian
Their South Australian international class in 2018.
2018 ya.
2018. Oh, bukan 2018 ya?
Bisa. 2018, 2000 and 2018 bisa. 20 and 18 bisa.
2018 juga bisa.
Ya, bisa.
Aduh, ini patience,
Passion.
patience,
Patience
passion was key
was
because
passion was key.
passion was key because he's famous for long rally.
Release
Rally.
ada S-nya. Release.
Ya, ya. Okay, because he's famous for long rallies.
Ya.
Explain.
Teh explain ya.
My coach told me to change the speed.
Ya.
Pelatih saya bilang ke saya berubah kencang, berubah
Ganti kecepatannya
ganti.
berubah gitu.
Oh, my coach told me to change the speed.
Ya.
If I followed his
If I followed dengan followed
if
his
I
rhythm.
followed his
Ya.
rhythm,
Yes.
I would have lost.
Yes, good.
He added.
Added.
He added.
Ya.
He added. Nothing the challenging
Mhm.
drive.
Drift.
Okay. Nothing the challenging drive
Hmm.
conditions
Ya.
worked.
Work nggak pakai ed, nggak pakai work.
Sorry.
Work.
Challenging drive condition work in his favor.
Favor. Ya.
Favor truth
Disrupting. Mhm.
Narokas
Usual.
Okay, sorry.
Ya.
Usual control.
Ya.
Oh, usual. Oke. Kalau A tuh jadi E, kalau U jadi U.
Yes, that's right.
Oke.
A. Kalau I jadi I. Kalau E jadi I. Itu
Oh,
nggak apa
E.
sambil jalan aja.
Oke.
Ya.
The Japanese admitted.
Mhm.
Kok itu ada admitted atau admitted?
Admit itu setuju gitu, mengakui. Admit, I admit I eat the chicken. Saya mengakui kalau saya makan ayam misalnya. Ini I admitted. Kalau ada
Oke.
ed-nya berarti kayak itu udah ngomongin verb 2, ini pakai verb 2, masa lampau.
The Japanese admitted it was my day.
It wasn't.
It wasn't my day.
Mhm.
I was
Mhm.
struggling with the conditions.
Ya.
They
Ini Dave singkatan dari they have ya.
Ya. Yang
Tapi di
kemarin ya,
bahasanya Dave varied Ya.
varied from my first match to now, and I counter Jason. I couldn't.
Ya, kalau ada O sama U jadinya yang dibacanya U doang.
Oh,
Couldn't,
no, and
would itu jadi U.
couldn't
Ya,
counter Jason
counter.
up.
Counter
Couldn't counter Jason attack and net shoot.
shots, not shots.
Oke. Net shots.
Ya.
Dak, kenapa shot sama shots kan ada S-nya belakang? Kan sama-sama yang aku tahu kan sama-sama nembak toh, sama-sama smash toh. Kenapa
Ya.
itu ada S-nya?
Karena ini kalau ada S-nya berarti lebih dari satu. Net shots berarti netnya tuh lebih dari sekali netnya. Kalau cuma I'm gonna do net shot today, berarti cuma net doang. Tapi kalau during ini kan now I couldn't counter Jason's attack and net shots, ini kan ngomongnya keseluruhan game ya. Nah, karena
Jadi shotnya
keseluruhan game
berapa
kan
kali?
netnya kan banyak tuh kan.
Iya, jadi
Lebih dari
shots.
sekali kan kalau main net-netan, jadi makanya ada S-nya.
Shots. Okay.
Yeah.
Having prim have
Primarily.
having Premier League compete at
Competed.
having Premier League competed at Super 100 and 300 tournaments.
Yes.
Test breakout
Breakthrough.
breakthrough is a significant milestone in his progress.
Ya,
I didn't.
I didn't. Ini singkatan dari
didn't.
I did not disingkat jadi I didn't.
I didn't set a target.
Mhm.
I just wanted to see where my level is, and I'm happy to make the quarterfinal.
Finals.
Okay, level and happy to make the quarterfinals. He reflects.
He
He
reflected.
reflected.
Ya.
He reflected. Dia happy karena udah masuk quarterfinal. Itu yang ngomong siapa itunya ya, si Jason.
Ya.
They credited 20 and 21 world champion and compatriot Lohkan
Mhm.
Yu
Mhm.
for valuable
Advice.
valuable advice before the match.
Yes.
Loh has a strong record against Naroka.
Mm.
So I asked I asked for his input. Teh reflect. Teh refill. Apa artinya, Dak? Teh refill.
Refill, bukan refill ya. Refill.
Teh
Refill itu
refill.
mengungkapkan. Teh mengungkapkan.
Oh,
Ya.
oke.
Menyatakan.
Refill. Oke. The 24-year-old will have to step up his game as he faces his game as he faces reigning world champion Kunlavut Fit Darsan in the quarterfinals. Okay. This will be another. This will be another learning experience. He noted.
Oke.
Aduh belum dah.
Oh,
Agar to continue.
eager.
Oh, eager. Oh, ada ya. Eager to continue his impressive run.
Yeah, okay. All right. That's good. Good job, Mimo. Now we're gonna go back to the material in here. So the next one is we gonna do what? Oh, no, I have to change. Ario, Bimo.
So coach, Voyage continue to private.
Yeah, but this week we didn't have the class because he has something.
Okay.
Okay, next one ya. Now, first we gonna learn how to spell your name. Do you know what is it? Spell your name.
Yeah.
Okay. So, how to spell your name? In
Spell your
English.
name.
Yeah.
Alpha.
No. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. Before we go to that part, so there is two part ya. There is the normal spelling the name. Spelling itu mengeja nama. Ada juga yang pakai kode. Nah, ini contoh kodenya. So, repeat after me ya. A, B.
Maybe.
Ya, kayak gitu. Try to,
Oke.
can you
Oke.
pronounce A until Z gimana coba? A
Oke.
sampai Z gimana?
A B C D E F G
E, F, G,
A B C D E F G
F, F,
A B C D E F G
yes.
H
H, H,
H I J.
I. Nah ini, I jadinya I.
Oke. A B C D E F G.
E, F, G.
Sorry. A B C D E F G H
H,
A G.
repeat after me ya. A, B,
C
C, D, E, F, G,
F
H,
H
I,
I
J,
J
K,
what? Sorry.
K,
K
L,
L
M,
M
N,
N
O,
O
P,
P
Q,
Q
R,
R
S,
S
T,
T
T,
T
U,
U
V,
P W
yes,
X Y
Y,
Z
Y,
X Y
Y,
oh
Y,
Y X X Y Z.
ya, X, Y, Z. Oke, nah, itu tadi kalau cara spelling yang cuma huruf doang ya, nggak ada
Oke.
kodenya. Nah, in here there is also another one is phonetic alphabet, jadi ada kodenya, oke? So, okay, first we're gonna watch this first. We're gonna watch this.
Okay.
Can you hear the sound?
Alphabet.
Yeah.
You can hear the
Okay.
sound?
Yeah, I listen. Here.
A. Alpha.
Repeat ya, A alpha gitu. Diikutin ya.
A Alpha.
Ya.
B. Bravo.
B Bravo.
C. Charlie.
C Charlie.
D. Delta.
D Delta.
Echo.
A Echo.
Foxtrot.
F for Fox.
G. Golf.
G Golf.
Hotel.
H Hotel.
H,
I.
H.
India.
I India.
J. Juliet.
J Juliet.
K. Kilo.
K Kilo.
L. Lima.
L Lima.
M. Mike.
M Mike.
N. November.
N November.
O. Oscar.
O Oscar.
P. Papa.
P Papa.
Q. Quebec.
Q Quebec.
R. Romeo.
R Romeo.
S. Sierra.
S Sierra.
T. Tango.
T Tango.
U. Uniform.
U Uniform.
V. Victor.
V Victor.
W. Whiskey.
W Whiskey.
X. X-ray.
X X-ray.
Y. Yankee.
Y Yankee.
Y,
Z.
Y Yankee.
Zulu.
Y Yankee. Z Zulu.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's the spelling name of the phonetic alphabet. What's the difference? Jadi misalnya kalau ini contohnya kalau misalnya di hotel gitu kan ada yang nanya, how I can help you? What is your name? Nah, biasanya kita dibutuhin spelling nama ya.
Heeh.
Ya, mengeja namanya itu gimana? Nah, kalau misalnya kira-kira orang nih nggak jelas antara, misalnya ada yang namanya aero misalnya, namanya aero. Kan itu I-E-R-O. Nah, jadi kan ada yang bikin bingung tuh. Jadi sometimes helping with the phonetic alphabet it helps.
Wait, dah, wait.
Ya, it's okay.
Ya, bawa aja tadi, Kak. Selimut.
Enggak ada.
Selimut kurang.
Maaf, bentar ya.
Enggak apa-apa, bawa aja. Beli. Udah, apa lagi?
Udah.
Oke. Oke, let's go.
Ya.
Let's start.
Jadi misalnya kalau ada yang nanya kurang jelas, orang kurang ngerti apa hurufnya itu ditambahin pakai ini Alpha, Bravo, Charlie gitu. Now
Papa
sekarang
Kiddo.
spell your name with the normal alphabet.
Oke. Alpha.
Enggak, yang normal alphabet.
Aryo Bimo Gagat Rhino.
Spell it. Spell tuh eja.
Iya.
A. Mhm. R.
O.
I.
Astagfirullahaladzim.
Ya. Hmm.
O.
Ya.
B.
Nah, kalau misalnya mau lanjut ke nama kedua pakai space. Space itu artinya spasi. Kalau
Oke,
dilanjut
space.
nanti dia ngiranya nyambung. Jadi space baru
Oke.
lanjut.
Ulang dari awal ya, Dak.
Boleh.
ARIO space BRBIMO space G ya GRG
GA.
sorry GAGAT
T.
GIGAT
Ya,
space
GAGAT.
space R I
A. Atau jadi A.
oh A itu apa, Dak? Sorry, A ya.
Ya.
R I N O.
Ya, good. Now, spell your name with phonetic alphabet.
Oke, ini ditanya orang hotel nih. Oke, sorry kata dia. Alpha Romeo India Oscar. Alpha Romeo India Oscar. Space.
Yes, good.
Bravo India Mike Oscar. Spice.
Bukan spice, space.
Space.
Turun, space.
Space Golf Alpha Tango. Space. Romeo Alpha India November Oscar.
Yeah, okay, that's good. Yeah. So, but you don't have to memorize this one. You can use another word to, let's say, if the alphabet, the normal alphabet is not clear enough, you can use the other word. Example, A, alpha. But if you forget, you can say A, apple. Ya.
Oh,
R.
Apple.
Ya, ini misalnya Bimo nggak hafal nih ya kode-kode ini. Bisa pakai kata lain. Biasanya yang Bimo tahu misalnya E-nya apa ya kira-kira? Oh, jadi yang cari kata-kata yang huruf dalam dari A, misalnya apple. Atau enggak August gitu bisa. Atau R
Oh,
misalnya.
bisa ya.
Ya, R ini kan Romeo. Bisa diganti dengan R for Rose gitu. Jadi bisa pakai kata lain kalau Bimo banyak vocabulary. Jadi nggak selalu harus ini cuma kayak patokan ya. This is like international.
Tapi takutnya salah paham nggak sih sama orang yang kita ajak bercakap?
Enggak,
Misalkan
kalau kan kalau dijawab how to spell your name itu pakai huruf normal dulu, pakai yang alfabet normal A B C D E F G. Kalau mereka
Aryo
nggak
Bimo.
jelas, baru A for
Sorry
apple. Ya, itu kan kalau kita sebutin kata-katanya, oh itu udah ngerti kan. Kalau apple kan pasti huruf
A.
depannya A gitu.
Iya, oke. I see.
Okay, now we go to the next ya. Nah, now we wanna spell this one.
Spell this one.
The left side spell with normal alphabet.
Oke. L I L itu apa ya, lupa. L I
Yeah,
betul?
yeah,
L
right.
I N space D
Hmm.
I
A,
N.
A,
D
A,
A
D,
D
A.
A D A N.
Yeah. Next.
Lindan. Oke. V I K
K,
V I K T.
K itu
Oh,
K.
sorry. Ya. V I K T O R.
Yeah, good.
I
Space.
space I
A.
space A X E L S E N.
Yeah, good. Next.
Next, C I
A,
C A R
R,
C A R O L I N I.
A.
A
Yeah.
sama A beda. A sama I beda ya.
Yeah.
A.
Tuh, A itu yang A.
Space. Iya iya. Space M A R
R.
M A R I N.
Yeah. Next.
T I
A.
Astagfirullahaladzim. T I U
A. T, A.
T A U.
U.
Oke. T I U
F.
F T I U F I K.
K.
Spice.
K.
Ya Allah. K.
Space. Yes.
Space H
H.
A-
H.
space H
H.
H
H.
H H
I.
H I tadi H I H
H. H.
H H
H kayak H gitu ya.
H H
Hmm.
H I D I
A.
Astagfirullahaladzim. H
H. I.
H I D
D. A.
A Y
Y.
Y
A.
A T
T.
T.
Okay. Yeah. Next.
Taufik Hidayat.
Gara-gara
Taufik Hidayat. Space. Okay. Next. M O
Hmm.
H.
H.
Ya Allah. H susah bener H. Jadi tuh lidahnya digigit ya? H.
Gak digigit. H. Kayak ouch.
H.
Kayak ouch. Tapi ini
Ouch.
H. Pakai H.
H. Oh iya, oke.
Ya,
H.
H. Nggak gigit. Hmm.
M O H.
Nah,
E.
kalau ada 2M, double M bisa. Double M gitu.
Kalau oke.
Kalau ada
M
letternya 2.
O H E double M O
A.
I A A
D.
D
Hmm.
space A H.
H.
Ya Allah.
Yang H doang yang
H.
agak riweh ya. Ya.
A H S E
A.
N
A.
A
N.
A N.
Ya. Oke.
Oke.
Next, ini what is it? You gonna
Spell this
spell but with this one. Maybe I change to here so you can check.
Udah gitu udah nggak apa-apa dak di itunya ya. Badminton kayak Bravo, Alpha
Ya.
bukan ya?
Ya. Badminton, ya, go.
Bravo, Alpha, Delta, Mike, India, Tango,
Mhm.
Oscar, November.
Yeah.
And then Sierra, it's hotel, uniform,
Uniform.
uniform,
Bukan form.
uniform,
Bukan form. For dulu,
form,
form. Ya.
uniform.
Mhm.
Tango.
Double tango bisa.
Oh, bisa. Double tango,
Ya.
5 Echo, Charlie, Oscar, Charlie, Kilo.
Yes.
Dak, kalau 5 itu apa, Dak? What's 5?
5. 5.
Yes.
Oh, kalau di sini 5 tuh nama kota. 5 Peru.
Oh, oke. 5 Peru tuh.
Ya.
Like India, and then
Ya.
okay. And next November
Mhm.
Echo Tango. November Echo Tango.
Ya.
And the next Romeo Alpha Charlie Kilo
Mhm.
Echo Tango.
Hmm.
The next grip is Golf Romeo India Papa.
Oke. Alright, good job. Nah, so
Papa
that's
Kilo.
yeah, so that's how you spell your name. So now you are able to understand how to spell any word ya. Just remember A itu A. Kalau yang paling ribet sih paling A I E-nya itu sama
A
H-nya ya.
I
A jadi E. Kalau I jadi
A
I. Kalau E jadi I. H jadi H. Kalau H ingat aja
H.
ouch. Kayak ouch, ouch. Tapi jadinya
Ouch,
H.
ouch.
Dipakai E gitu.
H gitu. H.
Ya. H ya.
H salah.
Yeah, yeah, that's right. Okay.
H salah.
Yeah,
Yep.
okay. So far, is there any question?
Yeah, no question, because maybe I stress from A E H and then E.
Stress from the alphabet, yeah. Okay,
I'm sorry.
it's okay, no problem. Okay, so now next, yeah, we're gonna go to the next material, but just to introduction. Now, this is 5W
5W
WH and 1H.
H
Pernah
5.
lihat ini nggak? Do you know what is this?
No. I don't
You don't know?
I don't know.
Jadi
I don't.
ini kayak rumus juga 5WH 1H. Kenapa 5WH? Why is 5WH? Karena semua pertanyaan ada 5 yang diawali dengan WH. Ya, efficiency there is who, when, who, what, where, why, and when gitu ya. Jadi ini
Wow, what, where, why, when, itu ya. Pernah
yeah,
sih,
and
pernah
then the
dengar
last one how. Yeah. So this is usually is used for, if you want to describe something, if you want to make story, you're gonna use this formula to understand how is the story going. But now we're gonna break down as, this question will be used very often. Jadi pertanyaan kayak gini tuh bakal sering banget kita gunakan sehari-hari gitu ya. Who-nya, what, where, why, when, how itu udah pasti bakal kita pergunakan lah gitu. Jadi ini juga is important to know what is it the meaning and what is the purpose. So first one is who. Biasanya ini kalau ada kalimat who atau enggak pertanyaan dengan who itu biasanya tentang apa sih gitu. Who itu tuh
Who
apa?
itu
Biasanya
who
pertanyaannya
itu
untuk objeknya apa?
who Apaan tuh? Bukan ya? Wu.
Who itu artinya apa? Who itu artinya apa?
Itu artinya siapa?
Ya, siapa? Nah, kalau siapa berarti pasti selalunya tentang apa? Kalau pertanyaannya who.
Orang.
Orang,
People.
betul. That's right, people ya. Jadi kalau ada pertanyaan yang diawal dengan who, itu artinya siapa? Itu pasti pasti orang, person, ya.
Okay. Person.
Ya, pasti itu
Who.
tentang orang. Misalnya who are you, who is she, who
Who are you?
ya, who is your mother, who is your brother kayak gitu ya. Pasti itu tentang orang. Nah, kalau what itu artinya apa Indonesianya?
Apa?
Apa? Biasanya untuk apa? Apa namanya?
For what? To what? For what?
For what ya? What itu ada dua ya, ada untuk things dan activity. Jadi
Okay.
Bisa menanyakan benda atau aktivitas. Things or activity. Misalnya, what is
What are you doing?
this? Hmm?
What it is? What are you doing?
Ya, what are you doing? Itu kan aktivitas atau enggak? um, what is your what is your phone number gitu. Nah, atau enggak
What's
sesuatu
your-
yang ingin dipertanyakan ataupun aktivitas yang dilakukan. Oke. Where?
Okay.
Where artinya
Di mana?
di mana? Yes. And what is it about?
Where are you?
Ya, jadi
Where the court?
ya tempat ya. Kalau where itu
Okay.
selalu menunjukkan dengan
Place.
tempat. Ya,
Where is place?
place. Ya, that's right, the place. Nah, then why? Why artinya?
Mengapa?
Ya, why? Kenapa gitu. Nah, ini selalu jawabannya harus reason, alasan ya. Jadi kalau why, kenapa berarti responnya kita juga harus about the reason, tentang alasan. Pakai because,
Why?
why are you sad? Why are you learning English? Oh, because bla 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 because gitu ya.
Oh, sorry coach. Berarti kalau why itu kita harus pertamanya because why you no coming? Because I
Ya,
late because
I'm late
my
ya.
family because
Seringnya kayak gitu. Kebanyakannya pasti pakai because karena why itu kan menanyakan kenapa dan itu kan
oh,
dan kita harus menjelaskan oh kenapa oh ya karena kayak gini gitu.
okay.
Ya.
When?
Ya,
Kapan?
when kapan so it's showing about the time ya.
Time.
Bukan tentang
Okay.
waktu tentang misalnya bisa bisa waktunya itu bisa tentang yang jam when is your match at 5 gitu atau juga bisa when you gonna have breakfast gitu in the morning. Nah, bisa juga
Hmm.
tentang keadaan suasana weather, cuaca pagi
Hmm.
hari, sore,
When
malam,
running? When hujan? When
raining,
run?
Kalau running
Raining.
lari, raining.
Raining.
Ya, kalau hujan raining.
Okay.
Ini running, lari. Nah,
Raining. Kalau langsung running itu berarti lari.
running
Kalau
lari. Kalau raining
raining
ini,
pakai
raining
A-nya
itu
lagi.
hujan. Lagi hujan ya. Soalnya ada NG-nya.
Okay.
Kalau apa namanya? Kalau rain, hujan doang, rain aja.
Kalau sorry dah, raining tadi
Lagi hujan
raining.
karena ada NG
Heeh.
sedang. Sedang.
Oh, lagi hujan. Kalau
Rain,
hujan aja, rain. Tomorrow rain. Gitu ya, dak?
tomorrow tomorrow it will be rain.
Oh, kalau saat
Kalau
ini
sekarang
berarti
it's
raining.
raining today. Kalau it's
Ya.
raining now, berarti sekarang lagi hujan gitu.
In Bandung now raining.
Raining, bukan raining, raining.
Raining,
In
raining.
Bandung, now it's raining.
In Bandung now is raining.
Bukan
And then
raining.
raining.
Ya, that's right.
In Bandung today is raining.
Ya, oke.
So tomorrow in Bandung maybe Bandung is rain.
Hah, right?
Rain.
Oh, oke. Today Today in Bandung it's raining, and maybe tomorrow it
Rain.
will rain again. It will
Oh,
rain.
it will rain again.
Ya,
Bukan,
oke.
it's raining again, bukan ya? Karena
Ya,
masih besok.
ya belum, karena kan kondisinya belum hujan.
Oke,
Mau hujan
I
kan?
see.
Ya.
Ya,
Nah,
ya,
karena
oke.
mau hujan, kemungkinannya bakal hujan pakai it will. It will tuh akan. Mungkin it will be rain gitu.
Oke, it will be.
Oke. When udah, and then now how? What is it how Indonesianya?
How tuh mengapa apa ya? How? I don't
How
know.
bagaimana?
Mau bagaimana?
Yes.
Who siapa? What apa? Where di mana? Why mengapa? When itu
When,
waktu ya?
ya
Kapan?
kapan? Menunjukkan
Who bagaimana? Oke.
ya.
Who bagaimana?
How is bagaimana?
How
How itu biasanya menanyakan keadaan. How are you? Atau juga kadang bisa how are you doing gitu ya, atau enggak condition, atau enggak bisa nanya tentang jumlah, bisa kondisi atau menanyakan tentang jumlah, misalnya how much is it, ini harganya berapa gitu.
Oh, iya iya.
Ya, misalnya how much is your phone, how much is the racket.
How
Tapi harus
much?
pakai much ya, pakai how much gitu.
How
How
much?
atau enggak how is your family, nah itu berarti kan menanyakan kondisi atau keadaan gitu.
Bagi
Nah,
apa how itu tadi dah bahasa Indonesia?
how
How itu
gimana?
apa? Bagaimana?
Ya. Oke,
How
sekarang
bagaimana? Bagaimana
ya,
harga? How much? Bagaimana harga?
enggak, bukan bagaimana harga. Kalau how much is it, berapa ini langsung. Enggak bagaimana.
Oh,
Tapi kalau how are you doing, gimana
how
bagaimana keadaanmu gitu.
Oke.
Oke.
How
Now, coba Bimo try to make one sentence with this. Coba buat satu kalimat pertanyaan dari who, what, where, why, when, and how. From who first?
who who you are? Who tuh lupa lagi dah.
Siapa orang? Tentang
Who
orang.
who your partner in Canada?
Who is your partner in Canada?
Who is your partner in Canada and mixed double?
Yeah, good. Next. Continue.
What time you practice in the morning?
Yeah, what time is your practice?
Is your practice? What time is your practice in the
Mau in the
morning?
morning ya bisa. What time is your practice in the morning bisa.
What time? Wow, what time is your practice in the morning?
Yeah. Yes.
Where you go? No. Where? Di mana tempat? Where place court in Canada? Di mana tempat
Place?
Anda berlatih?
Okay. Where is your
Where is?
place
Pakai
tempat berlatih?
no, place tempat. Di mana
Untuk?
tempat Anda berlatih di Kanada?
Oh, okay. Where is
What?
your
Where your city?
Hah?
Where is di mana tempat Anda berlatih, di mana kota Anda berlatih di Kanada?
Oke. Kalau itu what
Bukan
city?
ya?
Kalau what city when you coach? Oke, kalau gitu berarti bisa where do you coach in your city?
Where do you coach? Itu artinya apa? Where di
Where do you
mana?
coach? Di mana kamu melatih? Di kotamu. Where do
Oke.
you coach in your city?
Where do you coach
In your city.
in your city?
Ya.
Ada juga.
Next. Why?
What? Why? Why you happy in Canada?
Why are you happy in Canada?
Why are you happy in Canada?
Ya. Oke. Next. When?
When you go back?
When will you go back?
When will you back?
When will you go back to?
Where Indonesia?
Okay, when will you go back to Indonesia? Yes. How?
When you go back? How how much you jilbab?
How much is your hijab? How much is your
Oh,
sport hijab? Way! How much is your sport hijab?
how much if you sport hijab?
Yeah,
How
okay,
much?
wow, so good, Bimok. Good job. But what is the reaction? No reaction. Okay, I'll finish the rest. Okay, so I think that we were gonna learn first, okay, about spelling the name and then the formula. But next meeting we're gonna break down into more details and we're gonna make a question related to badminton and coaching style ya. Jadi nanti
Okay.
ini kan yang penting udah mengenal dulu tentang
Mm-mm.
cara
Ungu,
spelling name,
oh.
terus yang ini nanti kita buat pertanyaan yang relate dengan badminton dan coaching, okay, in the next meeting. So, I'm gonna stop share. I'm gonna give you some reaction. What is it? Yeah. Good
Kok
job.
bisa gitu? What are you doing? Okay. Okay.
This hand gesture. No. Oh, there is hand gesture.
Okay.
Oh, okay, lower hand. I just wanna try the what?
Yeah.
The reaction. Okay. Yeah, Bimo, do you have any question for today's meeting?
Maybe I am question and question no. So
No question.
no,
Okay.
maybe today